हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। सो आज के वीडियो में बहुत ही स्पेशल रहने वाले हैं क्योंकि आई एम गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट माय जर्नी। आल्सो आई विल शो माय पास्ट वर्क्स एंड आल्सो रिसेंटली वर्क्स जो मैं किया हूँ वो पूरा सब कुछ आपको दिखाने वाला हूँ। एंड आल्सो आई विल टेल द रीजन व्हाई आई गॉट इंटरेस्ट इनटू दिस एंड व्हाट आई एम डूइंग करेंटली। सो लेट्स डू दिस। ओके गाइस, तो स्टार्ट करते हैं। पहले आई यूज टू ड्रॉ इन माई चाइल्डहुड, लाइक आई यूज टू ड्रॉ इन माई 8th क्लास एंड बिलो मतलब नीचे में भी, मतलब इन माई चाइल्डहुड लाइक नर्सरी, फर्स्ट क्लास, सेकेंड क्लास में भी मैं ड्रॉ करता था, पर उतना अच्छा नहीं करता था। लाइक ओके दैट इज़ बिकॉज ऑफ चाइल्डहुड, हाँ, सो एंड सो ओके। तो फिर बाद में ना वो उसको मैं इकट्ठा करता था, मतलब सारे ड्राइंग्स को एक फाइल बनाता था और उन सबको एक कबोर्ड में लगाता था। पर क्या है ना, थोड़े दिन के बाद वो पूरे मिस हो गए अनफॉर्चुनेटली। उसके बाद 8th क्लास में जो मैं ड्राइंग्स बना रहा था ना, वो एक ड्राइंग बुक में किया था। वो ये क्लासमेट बुक है। दिस इज़ वेरी स्पेशल बुक टू मी। दिस इज़ द ओनली बुक आई हैव फ्रॉम माई चाइल्डहुड ऑफ माई ड्राइंग्स. So I'll show you from this and I'll start from this. I hope you like these drawings, but these are not that much good, but it's fine. Chalo, let's see. Yeah, this is my first, like I used to draw something on my papers and a drawing book. So Pawan Vishnu Sai 8th class and all section 2014. Yeah, and this was my first drawing in my 8th standard. See this one, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, and I used to draw with the color pencils also, and art by Pawan Vishnu and my sign and all things. So this is my second book, which this is a drawing from my mother gifted me a drawing book. I have done from that. This is Love Kush का drawing है ये. So I use it to drawing this. And then Ram Sita, ये थोड़े फटे हुए पेपर्स, don't mind that also. And also then this. देखो सब लोग है ना ड्राइंग करने में बहुत शौक होते हैं छोटे टाइम पे, तो दिस इज़ द मोस्ट फेवरेट ड्राइंग फॉर एवरीवन यूज्ड टू ड्रॉ दिस वन. ओके, and see at that time also I used to share some things. This was like okay, I used to share at that time also. Okay, nice, चलो ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. And this one I drawn on Mother's Day as a gift to my mom. I drawn this. I hope she always likes this. And also, and this is a random drawing I have saw from like a cartoon, and these are my future models I have thought at that time. Like I have given this car name as Landry, and this is an obviously Audi, and this is Landry, and this is my symbol. Copyrights. Okay. उसके बाद सरस्वती देवी, उनका ड्राइंग बनाया था मैं, जो ऐसे है. तो उसके बाद या दिस वन आई ड्रॉन एट द टाइम ओनली. दिस बुक, होल बुक आई हैव ड्रॉन एट द 8th क्लास टाइम ओनली. बिफोर ड्राइंग्स आर मिसिंग guys, I don't know where it is, and these are like random sketches. I hope you can see from this side. उसके बाद times goes on it non-stops. Please don't waste time. Oh, okay. And that's all guys. This is from my 8th class, and I have left from that time. There is no single art I have drawn from that time. And now in the BTech, I am studying BTech in Manipal University, Jaipur, IT. So at this time I got free, like I have free time to do something. So I have thought of doing drawing. So I have started this. at this January, I mean in this year 2020, January ending, I have started drawing, and these are my first drawings. Yeah, these are my first drawings at that time. These I use it to draw. This one, this one. In the month of ending of the January at this year, I used to draw like this. After that 8th class drawing, I have started from this drawing. And you can also find these sketches in my art page, Pawan Vishnu Arts Instagram पे आपको मिल जाएंगे. And these all I have drawn at that time. These all things like shading, and I have started from that time. I don't know about shading, grading, pencils के grades भी होते करके भी मुझे नहीं पता. इसी year में like 2020 January में I don't know even what are grades and what are charcoal pencils and how they use it to draw and all those stuff. This is one book. This like इसके तरह मैं 5 बुक्स इकट्ठे कर चुका हूँ ओनली इन द मंथ ऑफ February. At that time I used to draw one drawing at only like, oh not this one, sorry, one drawing like at 20 minutes or 15 minutes I used to. And this is the very special drawing I have drawn to my college, a poster related to women harassment and all. And this is obviously Joker. Yeah, Charlie Chaplin. Like, see, you can also notice like I am improving my shades and all those things, like sketching thoda thoda aa raha hai. At that time I used to draw with a Apsara pencil normal, which we are using in the college time or somewhere in school time. Slowly I got to know about like gradings होते हैं इसके ऊपर. That too, when I went to this stationery shop, I asked them to give art के लिए pencils. So they told me grades and charcoal pencils. What all these? I thought of that time. And later on, I have came to my room, and then I got to know that these are pencils used to shade and all those. Then I have started to learn like what are new things we can do from this. And these are my friends I have drawn in my college. Yeah. See, I used to draw like this at the time. See, at the time I used to draw like normal. Only within few months I have improved a lot. That you can find in the recent pictures. I will show you them. Iron Man, Dhoni. This is my mother at that time. I used to draw like this, so it is okay. See, you can you can see the shades. Like I have did only strokes, not the shading. I have just only did the strokes, and the shading is not that much. And this is the portrait. I got used paper stamps, and I got to know how to use paper stamps at that time when I was doing this drawing. And I have surprised my mother with this drawing. She was like very wow. I used to practice like this from my friends' portraits and all. This is my mother and father at the time. At the time of anniversary, I have gifted them this one. They felt very happy. Art is the only thing which we can make other people like happy. because the art is the only thing. And this was the last drawing. Let me show you another thing. And later on I went to this. So I have started to draw some charcoal portraits. This is Bits Pilani, director sir. He is our family friend and I have gifted him with this one. This is the most recent pic, like only 1 month gap. See, you can see improvement in this. And this is Shivagami. I think you can find this video in my art channel. These are all like charcoal pencil arts. This pic, Rashi Khanna gave me a compliment for this pic. Like she was like this pic, and also she mentioned in her story about this thing. Samantha is my favorite actress, as I told you before. This is her pic. In my arts, most of the drawings are like Samantha's and all those, because I like Samantha. I hope you can. This is my first video which I have uploaded recent, 6 months back. At that time I don't know how to use YouTube for the uploading and all stuff. And this is Anushka. You can see the improvement, slowly it is increasing. See, this is Anupama Parmeshwaran. She also mentioned me in her story. This video got viral in YouTube. Not YouTube, like got viral in Instagram. I don't know who all messaged me about this drawing. This is the first portrait I have done in at very good proportions and all. This is a negative image. You can, if you install a negative app, and then you can see this image like clearly. I'll tell you about this image later. And this I made at the time of Corona, and this was like viral, and 2 papers adopted this picture and published this picture in their own papers, like Velugu paper in Telugu and Sakshi paper in Telugu. And that's it. And these are like charcoal at A6 size, big size photos. And the next one is very special for me, very important drawing. This drawing, this is very realistic. I have tried for the first time like hyper realistic sketch. So yeah, this was the first realistic sketch I have drawn ever. This is the very important sketch, and very you can see the all proportions and all details in this clearly. And this is Mahesh Babu's drawing, Mahesh Babu sir's drawing, and this is Allu Arjun. This is Vijay Devarkonda drawing, Arjun Reddy's. These are my recent portraits I have drawn 2 months back. This is my mother and this is my father at their marriage time. They used to be like this. I have drawn for them this at anniversary. And this is my mother and this is my father at present time. I have drawn for the practice, and I gifted them at their birthdays. Yeah. This is Bahubali, and this is drawing of these are the 2 drawings I have got in my college first place for some competition, art competition. This drawing, and this also like in NIT Lucknow. I got the first place in these 2 pictures for the realism. This is Hermione Granger, as you all know. And this one is the charcoal art which I have drawn for the practice. These are my two sisters. I have made for them at the birthday time, and he is my brother. At their birthday time only I have drawn them. And this one, this article, this was published in Sakshi newspaper, which I have told you, and this was the picture got viral at that time. See, at in Sakshi paper. And also Velugu paper, that was there is no hard copy of Velugu paper. I cannot show you that paper. You can see at their website, June 1st paper, second page I guess. And this is Sushant Singh Rajput. I made his tribute to him. You can find a video in my art channel also. And my recent pictures, this one, I made this picture for the opening ceremony of Ramayana. See, and this one I made my father's drawing. He is in army, and I have drawn and gifted him on August 15th by telling him a tribute to him for working this country. And this is marshmallow. Yeah. And these two drawings I have made for a channel. They called me for an interview. I have got into that interview, NTV interview. They told me to draw these two pictures live in front of them, in front of cameras. They took me interview. I don't know when they will publish that interview. If that will be published, I will surely inform to you. And this is Lord Venkateshwara's sketch, which is very good to me to draw this. And this one is my favorite drawing all of this time, because this art got viral in my Instagram, and also many people praised me about these detailings, cap detailings and dress detailings and suit and all those stuff. This is my favorite drawing, made with full of charcoal and graphite only. I took almost 6 hours to complete this drawing, because it's A3. And this, on the birthday of MS Dhoni sir, I have made this drawing to him. And this is my mama and my these are my friends I have drawn for the practice itself. And this is my brother I have made on his birthday. All these drawings I have made for the practice. And this one I have made for you guys to learn about the shading of the skin. That is a recent video in my art channel. You can find out past third day, I think last third day, I have made this drawing for the two parts, like half part and a half part, full from like for every detailing I have told everything. And this is obviously Samantha. I made a video to her on this. And this is Sahu, which I have recently posted. And this one is the recent video in my art channel, which I have uploaded yesterday night itself, about Rakul Preet Singh. And these are my journey, like from the beginning, from the childhood to now. Like I cannot show my childhood drawings because I have lost the drawings, but yeah, surely if I get the drawings, I'll definitely show you how I drawn that. So these are my first drawings. You can compare both these drawings. You can see the improvement on all the stuffs. So that was my journey, guys. So later on, at present I'm studying at Manipal University, Jaipur, IT branch, and art is like my hobby. That's it. Like I used to draw in my free time, and because of now, like in the lockdown period, I used to do more in the free time. So this was my short and sweet journey. Like from the January, I have started these drawings. Before January, my last drawing was at 8th class. 8th class is the last drawing, and at present I was started from like January ending, and from January ending I have showed you the drawings, and from that time to now my improvement is this in front of you. So I hope you like this. That is it for today, guys. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching. Bye.